What's up friends, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add text to your Canva designs using the Canva app. So once you're inside the Canva app and you have your image on your Canva there and you want to add some text, you just want to scroll and find text. Go ahead and tap on text, and from here you have the text box. So you want to go ahead and choose a text box, add a text box. Once you add the text box, guys, you can move it wherever you want afterwards, so you can go ahead and add the text. So I'm going to go ahead and write this, call this the beach as an example, right? So I'm going to call it the beach. You can always go ahead and change the color of the text by tapping the color there, and you can scroll down and find a color of your choice. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to tap, for example, white, and you're gonna see that it says change to white, and then I'm gonna just basically say change all, and you will see that it knows change the color to white. Now the next thing that you want to do, if you want to change, for example, the boldness of the text, you can go ahead and you can select boldness. You can basically do quite a lot. You can change the font style. You can tap, for example, font style and find something of your choice. So I'm going to scroll and just find something that I can use. So let's say I choose that. You can see that I now have it there. Now the next thing you can always go ahead is to change the size. So you want to go ahead and look for the option to change the size. So here it says 20. You can click on that and you can increase the font size, as you can see there. So let's say I want to use that, I can go ahead and do that as well. And you can basically do as much. So when you're ready to move it around, you can just simple click on it and just simple drag it around, right? And you can move it wherever you want. And if you want to resize it again, you can always go ahead and just click one of the sides and drag it and make it larger as you wish. And then you can move it towards the center. To know when the text is center, you just want to move it towards the middle of the page or the middle of the canvas, and you will see when there is a blue line click, you'll feed the click and you will see the line centered here. And that's how you know that your text is centered. And you can click away once you're ready, and that's it. And that's how you basically add text in Canva on your Canva designs on your mobile. Very easy and very simple. Once you're done, you can always go ahead and download once you're ready by clicking R on the upper right hand side. You can tap on that and you have the download option there. And that's it. Go ahead and hit download and you'll be able to download your new designs with text on your phone. Very easy and very simple.